Hello everybody, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101 and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're now on the 15th and final floor. It's a beautiful experience we're about to have because we're going to go see the rooftop pool and get a feel of the area as well. What a fabulous rooftop pool. Look at this. Look at the gorgeous pool itself. Sparkling, shimmering, beautiful, perfectly straight. You can swim here, you can relax here, just dip into the water. And then you can see over here on both sides, you've got plenty of chairs, you've got private cabanas. Just a beautiful experience waiting to happen here. You also have just delightful grilling stations that are here on the right-hand side. And then plenty of places to sit and enjoy. You can feel a gentle breeze out here. It feels delightful. On the left, something similar. You have also just plenty of chairs. You can really relax in privacy. It just feels like a resort out here. Truly does. You've got some more cabanas and a lot more seating over here. So a huge area to really enjoy, relax, be with friends, and meet new ones. Great area. Also on the deck, you have additional areas. Now this is the pool area of the deck, but then you go out just a bit more and you've got a fabulous additional kind of pool courtyard area. So we walk past here and it's just sumptuous. It's perfect. It's a really nice area. I love the wood flooring of here, and it's just another grilling station, and then just additional areas to really enjoy the fabulous views that you have here. By the way, that is downtown Dallas right there in the background, and you are in Highland Park. Let's talk a little bit about the area in the next video, but this is the pool. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have any questions, or if you'd like to take a live virtual tour or in-person tour, send me a text. Just use the number below. My name is Grant.